Hey, it's Trevor Carr here, and today I'm going to show you a simple and crazy cash hack that I discovered earlier this year. You can do this from anywhere in the world. I'm going to show you how this simple strategy works, what websites to use, and they're all free, so I know you like that, and how to get started earning regular cash. Now the great news is you don't need any previous experience, okay? So if you've not done anything like this before, as I show you, as I go through the method, at no point do I want you to think, I've not done that before, I can't do it, because you can, okay? The great news as well is that you don't need a website, a domain or hosting. I know that's a big stumbling block for a lot of you. So you don't need that. And you don't need an email list, another big stumbling block. So all the things that probably in the past you thought to yourself, well, need a website, need domain, need hosting, need a list. You don't need any of that. And once you've got this set up, you can get it running on complete autopilot. So you can go out into this lovely world and you can live your life, which is what we should be doing, because we need to leverage our time, leverage our time so that we do something once and it pays us over and over again. Well, this is also incredibly fast to set up, which is really good news. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because it's going to be step by step. So you don't want to miss any of the steps as I go through. And after sharing the method, I'm going to let you in on a massive secret that will enable you to fast track your results big time. And you're going to discover how this can realistically and genuinely be scaled to $1,000 a day. But before I start, if you'd like to be kept up to date with what works online when it comes to making money, then make sure you subscribe to my channel now, please, by clicking on that little button if you haven't already done so, and then click on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload more training and you don't miss a thing. I don't always email my list, so you need to be on my channel list with notifications. But why should you listen to me? Well, let's go and have a look at that. So here we are inside one of my Warrior Plus accounts. I've got two Warrior Plus accounts and a JVZoo account. And you can see over here, this is the earnings yesterday as an affiliate, $939 in 924 plus 1445 in affiliate commissions yesterday, 135 so far today, and $4,500 in the last 5 days. So I think you can see, I'm fairly successful at this. Just 1 second. Sorry, Facebook. Here's my JVZoo account, and you can see here almost $76,000 made in that one. And here's another Warrior Plus account with another $40,000 made there. $123,000 made in total in affiliate commissions in that, and $386,000 there as a vendor. Now, of course, I don't show you those figures to show off, brag, etc. That is not my style. If you know me, you know that's not my style. I show you those figures to show you what's really genuinely achievable in this business, because believe it or not, I've only been full-time for just over 2 years, okay? And I went from a standing start to get to where I am now. So you can do this, all right? And I'm going to show you a strategy today that's going to help you get the ball rolling when it comes to making money online. So let's dig into that now. And the website we're going to look at today is Clickbank. You may already have heard of Clickbank. If you haven't, then it's probably one of the largest platforms online for affiliate commissions, affiliate products, and they have everything that you can think of. This is a nice little front page cover here where you can see the different niches that they've got. So there's like health, there's fitness, dancing, dogs, playing guitar, the whole bit. So inside Clickbank, if you want to find the most popular products on Clickbank in any niche, then you just come to the marketplace. So that's this link here. Click through to the marketplace, and then if you just click the search icon there without putting anything in at all, it's going to show you the most popular on there. So you can see Flat Belly Fix is the first one. There is a thing called Gravity, and Gravity is basically, it's based on a number of people that are actually promoting a product and getting sales in, I think it's in a 30-day period. So 230.44 there for Flat Belly Fix. That means that there are 234 JVs getting sales in a monthly period. The average sale is $39.38. Average sale is $34, $33. So the Cinderella solution has got a gravity of 246, and then the next one's got a gravity of 242. But the niche that I would go for, which is the niche that I'm in, is the make money online. And you probably want to come to e-business and e-marketing for that one. And then we see here, the first one here is John Crestani's auto webinar. Has an average sale of $506.90. Now the commissions you earn from this, I think There we go, $457.06. That's one of my sales there. So you can earn about $450 from just one sale on that particular product. Now, the reason that I like this is because for the strategy that we're going to be looking at today, this is a clever hack that's going to enable you to harness the power of other people's work completely and pull in some serious money. All right. So if we go through any products that you're looking at on Clickbank, you want to look for their affiliate page. And on the affiliate page, we're looking for videos. All right. We're looking for pre-done videos that we can use. So you don't have to worry about getting your face on camera. You don't have to worry about using your voice, but also you don't have to worry about knowing anything about the product at all. This is as easy as it gets, right? So here we are on the JV page. If we come down here, we can see there's plenty of content on here, and these are the JVs that are currently getting sales. This is some of the sales that have been coming in. Keep scrolling down. Customer testimonials. There's Jonas there, my good buddy Jonas. And keep going down, keep going down. It gets to the product, tells you about the product. The JV payout, $460 per sale, 50%. How to promote. The webinar replay. And actually, you could watch that too if you wanted to educate yourself on it. And then, let me see what we're looking for. I think it's probably going to be Facebook ad swipes. Not interested in that at the moment. For this one, here we go. Here we go. So these are the top performing videos that affiliates are using for Facebook ads and video swipes for Facebook and YouTube ads. And if we look here, it says 2019 SAS video ads, new vid, new YT. So if we click on that one, then what we've got here, just opening up this one. Right, so 18th of June 2019, new YouTube video ads. So you've got all of these ads here, right? These are going to be used in what's called in-stream. Right, now in-stream is that ad that plays, the video that plays when you're going to watch a video on YouTube, and before you can even watch your video, you're forced to sit there for 5 seconds to watch the in-stream ad that runs first. Now, as a viewer, you might find that a little bit frustrating sometimes, but as an affiliate, it's very, very powerful because it's very successful and you can target it so specifically. You can actually jump on people's channels and you can put your ad in before their videos. Now, something that John Crestani has been doing recently is producing quite a lot of new content videos. So this is a perfect example of how you could be really congruent and you could run a simple in-stream ad and stick it in between, in front of one of his videos. Can you imagine the power of that? Let me go and show you his channel and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So this is John's channel. I think these screenshots here were actually when he was doing some filming, and I don't know if he hired these or just his friends with these cars, but it's a great backdrop. You know, go to Vegas. Well, I don't know if it's Vegas, but it's kind of out in the desert. He'd look in, so I'm assuming, and get some supercars, you know, and make some really cool videos. But this is the important thing. If we look at his videos tab here, he has got 23 hours ago, 5 things you need to know, 5 steps to start an internet business. Then 1 day ago, 10 websites to make $100 per day. 2 days ago, make money online with poker. 3 days ago, affiliate world Europe walkthrough. 5 days ago, how much does Amazon FBA cost? 6 days ago, how to make huge money online, 33,000 from one in a single commission. Right? These are all make money online videos. So can you imagine the power if you're able to come here and take one of these videos and use that as an in-stream? Now, let me show you what an in-stream looks like. If I right-click this and open a new tab, we're going to watch John Crestani's video, but before that, we're forced to watch the advert. Okay, so you can see his channel is monetized, and more importantly, he's allowing adverts on these videos. So you could actually target this specific video with this code here. You can target this specific video, which is if we go through, so just skip ads. There you go, 11 minutes 25 video, sorry, it's had 1620 views. We can target that specific video if we want to. That's how how you can do it with this, then all you do is you have that little advert first. So the advert that, for example, looks like this, a Wix advert, and then you've got you have a call to action, or you don't. You're just going to, in fact, you're going to use his video, so don't even worry about that. You're going to use his video, but you just have a link. Now, the important thing is that link is what you need to set up. Now, to do that with no website, all you need to do is create a simple Wix page like this. So Wix is free, and all this is just somewhere to send from that little in stream. So you get the John Crestani video runs, and then you land on a page here where you can make this look fancy. This is just a very basic one that we've put together, but you've got a continue button on there. The continue button is going to take it through to the link that you got from Clickbank, and then you're going to get the commissions. All right. So with Wix, you can do this for free. There are some things that you're going to have when you're advertising. So you get your in-stream video, all right, and which you take from John Crestani. So you choose one of these, you set it up in your Google AdWords account as an in-stream video to run like this. And then you send it through to a page like this, and on there you need a disclaimer, privacy policy, terms and conditions, right? But the beauty of it is that you can get all of that from the actual vendor that's selling it. And there's a lot of stuff that you can get from the JV page, all right, as I've shown you. But also, if you come over here and you want to promote this, so if we go promote, you're going to get a few different options when it comes to John Crestani's. You've got the default, and then you've got these different landing pages. I'd go with the default tracking ID in here so you can check what's working, where did it come from. In here you'd probably want to put something like InStream 1 or something like that, so you know what it is. But my account nickname is OfferCheck. Another little tip for you: if you're going to create a Clickbank account, the reason I've got OfferCheck is I wanted it to be a bit generic and a bit so it just doesn't look like an affiliate link. If it says /Trev159 or something, then it might look like it was my affiliate link. It's got my name in it. But if it says offer check, it's like you're checking the offer. Now, most combinations of words like that have already gone, so you do have to play about a little bit when you're setting up your Clickbank account to get that. So if you haven't already got a Clickbank account, just consider that when you're setting it up. So if we go generate hop links here, click this button, this is going to give us a hop link, which is this one. And if I just take that is the link that you'd want to put in on this button on your Wix site. All right, so in there we'd have that hop link, and if I go over to a new URL, just paste that in, and you're going to see this is what I mean. See, hop equals offer check. Now on this page, which is the page that they're going to be going to, you've got all of the stuff that you need when it comes to all that, but you don't need all of this. All right, so if you remember, all you need to do is you want disclaimer, privacy terms and conditions. And if we come back over to the page there, then you're going to see disclaimer, privacy and terms are all on there. So you can literally just highlight, or you can go like this. You can right click and just copy link address, all right, and you can put that in. Now there's no problem at all with using this stuff from John Crestani because you're promoting his product, so that's absolutely allowed, no problem at all. All right, so that's the simple process, and you do this from your YouTube AdWords account. And in your YouTube, so if you haven't got an AdWords account, you just set one up. That's simple and it's free. But I've got some training that I want to show you quickly now that's going to show you how to do this very, very easily, quickly, and also includes a special hack on how you can get $100 of free advertising to use on your YouTube ads. So that's a massive start for you. It's going to be a massive kickstart. And remember that if you're promoting something like John Crestani's internet jet set, it's SAS training there, $460 odd per commission. So you can actually do quite a lot of testing, and if you get a couple of sales, you're going to be in profit very, very easily. So let me just show you that now. So I've got a full review on this product, and it's called Eclipse, and it's by Brendan Mason, Jono Armstrong. Jono is one of my close friends. online, and I've been chatting with him now for a couple of years on a very regular basis. We've met up together face to face, and we've also been on live webinars with just him, myself, and my good friend Jonas, where he shared this strategy with us, because we were saying, Jesus, man, how are you earning this kind of money? It's insane money that you're earning. Well, he's just decided to release a course that explains how he's been doing it, and that course is called Eclipse. So when you go through to from the link underneath this video, you're going to go through to my review page, and on here you're going to see a lot of information about the product, and I've got an amazing bonus bundle. So the first bonus you're going to get is my brand new training course, which is In-Stream Innovations, and this is how I talk to you about harnessing the incredible power of YouTube in-stream videos. I go through all the different tips and tricks that you can do with them, and how you can use In-Stream Innovations, in-stream videos, to increase your subscribers, build your list, build your branding, earn money, etc, etc. So you're going to discover 6 ways to get the most out of the Eclipse method in that bonus. I'm also going to give you number 2 is my guaranteed approval to promote one of my own high ticket offers, so that you can make even more money. So the thing about Clickbank is you don't need approval, but if you want to promote other stuff, you do need approval. So if you want to promote stuff like you've seen, there's my combined revenue from the other day, 385,000, now go up to 386,000, I think. But if you want to promote stuff in Warrior Plus like I do using this system, then you're going to get guaranteed approval to promote one of my high ticket offers and make yourself some really nice big commissions. I'm also going to give you a live group coaching call with me. It's valued at $197. This is a live call that you're going to get a replay to as well. On there you can ask me anything you like about Eclipse or making money online in general. You see my figures, so you know that I can probably tell you a thing or two. Bonus number 4 is rights to my high converting videos for you to use as your own in Eclipse. So this bonus alone is worth picking up Eclipse for. Eclipse is just $12.95. It's a no-brainer. It's going to show you the strategy that I've shown you already there, how to do it step by step. Jono is an absolute master at this in-stream advertising, and you really want to follow what he teaches you, because he'll show you which countries to choose, how much cost per click, what your budget should be, how you set your ad up, and the whole thing. It's all very, very simple, and he's got it split into 3 different ways: beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So this one here I'm going to give you, this is rights to my high converting videos. I personally made thousands from these, and with Eclipse you can start sending traffic to them and start banking the moolah. You'd also get a link to my YouTube video and my permission to use it, plus you get the bonus access as well. So you can promote products on Warrior Plus, and you can give them my bonus bundle. And that's how I've been able to generate these huge sales. So this one alone is well worth you getting the Eclipse for, even if you don't do anything else other than use this. Bonus number 5 is access to my personal group coaching for 2 weeks, as well as full access to over a year's worth of webinar replays. See, I told you this is going to be an amazing bundle. Then I've got a $5 done for you bundle, because I like to mix things up a little bit, and I believe in multiple streams of income. So I'm going to give you 40 evergreen Fiverr gigs that you can literally copy and paste and sell. I'm also going to give you 7 Fast Cash Methods video training, plus the 7 Fast Cash Methods video training OTO 1 and OTO 2. You're also going to get my Mobility training course and the OTO for Mobility training as well, the advanced. Plus I'm going to give you professional email marketing, 15 HD videos, and list building and WordPress masterclass. And I'm going to give you my 60-minute flips training, which shows you how you can flip domains in 60 minutes and make a nice little bit of money on the side. So it's multiple streams of income. Plus you're going to get the OTO 1 for 60-minute flips. And you're going to get my LoadJacker training course, which teaches you how you can launch jack, which is basically how to create videos on YouTube and cash in by the organic traffic from YouTube, which is free traffic. And you're going to get my advanced training as well. So quick recap there. That's a total of $2,509 that you'll get when you pick up the Eclipse training, which is going to show you this method that I've talked about today. So that's it in a nutshell, guys. What we're talking about here is the little videos that go in before a YouTube video. You hijack the traffic from these big gurus' channels, and you then stick your video in there. And if it's congruent, like I've shown you, so that you actually take a John Crestani product, you put his video in before his video, but you're the affiliate, you can see how that is going to work, right? It's very, very powerful stuff. Don't tell anybody about this. We don't want everyone to know. But you're going to find out all the details on how to do that in Eclipse. Eclipse is very, very cheap at $12.95. But as you've seen here, you're going to get over $2,500 worth of bonuses through me when you use the link below this video. So go ahead now, click on that link, grab Eclipse, get into that training, take action, and let's start seeing some money coming in. My name's Trevor Carr. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and leave me a comment please below. Give me a thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and I'll see you soon. Take care, all the best.